The U.S. Federal Aviation Administration said on January 11, 2023, is lifting the ground stop as normal air traffic operations are resuming gradually across the country following a system outage. The FAA regulates all aspects of civil aviation in the United States. It continues to look into the cause of the initial problem. The FAA previously ordered airlines to pause all domestic departures until 9 o'clock in the morning East Time to allow the agency to validate the integrity of flight and safety information. The U.S. government agency announced earlier in the day that it was working to fully restore the notice to air mission systems following an outage. White House tweeted that U.S. President Joe Biden has been briefed on the FAA system outage and ordered a full investigation into the causes. There is no evidence of a cyber attack at this point, said the tweet. FlightAware tracks delays and cancellations. It showed nearly 4,600 flights to, from, and within the United States as being delayed as of 9:30 in the morning East Time, and more than 800 flights canceled so far.